Hey everyone, seeing a domain suspended message on your Namecheap site due to email verification is exactly how to fix it. So, this error usually happens when you don't verify your domain contact email after registering or updating whoisinfo. So, log in to your Namecheap account. After that, on your dashboard, look for a yellow banner that says email verification required. Go to domain list, then manage on the affected domain. Find the section labeled Registrant Contact. Double check the email address listed. This is where Namecheap sent the verification email. Now open your inbox and look for a message from Namecheap or Enom with the subject line like please verify your email address. Tap the confirmation link inside. Once verified, your domain will be automatically unsuspended, usually within 15 minutes. Didn't get the email? You need to go back to Namecheap and click Resend Email from the domain dashboard. Also, don't forget to check spam or junk folders. And that's how to fix this error. Now you're set and good to go. Like and subscribe for more domain and hosting tips, and comment below if your site is still down after 24 hours, and I'll try to help you and troubleshoot you further. Thank you for watching.